Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'll be sharing with you all the tips and tricks to making the best Chile Relleno ever, a poblano pepper that will be an explosion of Mexican flavors. Let me show you my version and let's get started. Look at these beautiful poblano peppers. I washed them and now I'm gonna roast them on top of open fire or in a cast iron pan. I'm gonna roast 5 Roma tomatoes, half an onion and half a jalapeno pepper for the salsa later. Your peppers need to char on all sides very well, and this is how you do it on top of the stove too. It's actually faster, but you can do it any way you like. Go ahead and place the poblano peppers in a plastic bag and close it. They will sweat and this will be the easiest way to peel them. Now you're gonna prep the tomatoes, the potatoes, the mushrooms for the filling. And here I have a very nice tomato peeler. It's a lifesaver, I love it. Chop roughly and set aside. And now I'm gonna cut 4 small potatoes into cubes, small cubes. You're gonna boil the potatoes until soft but not too mushy. And don't forget to salt the boiling water. Continue with prepping the vegetables. I'm gonna chop the mushrooms finely. This dish is worth the effort. The flavors are amazing. You have to try it. And the secret is in the spice mix. Here I have some spices that I'm gonna add to my filling. The last thing you need to do is to peel the poblano peppers, and they should be easy to peel. You're gonna make a slit on the side and remove all the seeds. You're gonna finish the whole amount and set them aside to work on them later. For the filling, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To that you're gonna add 1 pound of lean ground beef. Add salt and pepper and let it cook. Add the mushrooms, then the tomatoes. Now you're gonna add the potatoes and then add the spices. The mix of oregano, paprika, chipotle chili, cumin, coriander is gonna add so much good flavor to the filling. And as always, I'm gonna leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. Now everything is ready. I'm gonna start stuffing the peppers. And I like the peppers to be stuffed very well. And I'm gonna add some Mexican cheese, whatever cheese you like, queso blanco, Monterey Jack, whatever blend you like. I secure with a toothpick or a long skewer. This is ready. Now I'm gonna do the rest. Now you're gonna make the coating for the peppers. You're gonna whip 4 egg whites. You can add 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. This is what you want to achieve, not too much of a stiff peak. We're gonna add 4 egg yolks and mix. You're gonna coat the peppers with some all-purpose flour and then dip it in the egg mixture and fry immediately in hot oil. It shouldn't take much time at all. 1 minute on each side should be enough, or until you see a nice color starting to develop. If you're liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. The Chile Rellenos are ready. I'm gonna place them on a paper towel and I'm gonna serve them warm. Chile Rellenos are usually served with a warm tomato sauce, but today I'm gonna serve it with a salsa. I roasted the tomatoes and the onions earlier. I'm gonna add a clove of garlic and some salt and pepper and blend the whole thing. Or you can cook the tomatoes, let it simmer for a while, then add the chili rellenos and serve it warm. And I serve it alongside some crema with cilantro. You mix a little bit of chopped cilantro with some crema or some sour cream, and you're set for an explosion of flavors, amazing flavors. This recipe is so good and so worth your effort. I hope you give it a try soon and let me know what you think. And until next time, bon appétit!